Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create this edit in CapCut. You see, using falling animation from animation and combine with effect and transition. Alright, first select your videos or photos you like edit, and then after done you are just going to select animation in animation and you can find the following, but this is Pro effect. You have to join Pro first to be able to use this effect and add to the type. Can I just hold the region and apply it to all the clips and do as before. So combine effect, select camera shot, adjust the duration, add a transition and select the scale transition and apply it to all the clips. And this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.